Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Sorn here with a song called Sharp Objects. So this one is very easy. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We have only 5 chords, same strumming and same chords round and round. So that's great. Let's start. No need for any capo. And we'll start with the 5 chords. The first one will be the F sharp minor. So you bar the 2nd fret here, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. That's the F sharp minor. Then we have the B minor. You just go down 1 step when it comes to the strings. You keep your bar here on the 2nd fret. So this time only 5 strings from A string and down. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor. Then we have the E. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Then we have A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. The final chord will be C sharp. So you'll keep a bar here on the 4th fret from the A string and down, 5 strings, and the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 6 on B. And that will be the chord progression you need through the entire song. So F sharp minor to B minor to E to A and to C sharp. Okay, so in some parts you will play only 1 down, and we don't have to go through that. The main part of the song you will play a strumming pattern, and you can keep playing that through the entire song actually. So if you want to be very specific about it, listen to the song and look at the parts where you only play 1 down. Otherwise, stick with the strumming. So the strumming is very easy. It's only down and ups. So like this. All right. It goes pretty fast. So for the F sharp minor, you're gonna play 8 down ups. So down up is 1. So 8 times. And you don't want to play the full down ups like that. It's too much noise there. So stick with the bass and middle string. So like that, okay? So down up is 1. You're gonna play 8 times for the F sharp minor, then 8 times for the B minor, 8 times like that, and then 8 times for E. Then 4 times for A, and 4 times for C sharp. And that's it actually. So 8 times F sharp minor, 8 B minor, 8 E, 4 A, and 4 C sharp. Sounds like this. Alright, so there you have Sorn Sharp Objects. Hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please thumb up. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.